Hello friends, today's video regarding Ulefone Armour 22.
I've seen it, a life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
The Ulefone Armour 22 boasts an eye-catching design. This phone has an imposing form factor and is built to withstand the harshest conditions, with dimensions of 176.8, 84.9, 15mm, and a weight of 324 g. It meets military specifications, with an IP68 rating for water and dust protection, and a stunning IP69K rating. Furthermore, the MIL STD 810H certification ensures its resilience in difficult environments. The device's front-facing 6.58-inch 20:9 water-drop screen provides an immersive visual experience. Because of its 1080 by 2408 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, the monitor provides fluid interactions and clear graphics. The FHD Plus all-screen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology provides vibrant colors and a peak brightness suitable for outdoor use. Under its rugged exterior, the Ulefone Armour 22 conceals a powerful hardware combination. It runs on Android 13 and has the most recent features and security enhancements. The Galileo G96 MT6781 octa-core CPU, which includes 2 ARM Cortex-A55 cores and 6 ARM Cortex-A76 cores, ensures efficient performance and seamless multitasking. The competent gaming GPU, the ARM Mali G57 MC2, complements the CPU. The Ulefone Armour 22 is distinguished by its wide memory configuration. This device can handle demanding apps and games because to its 128GB or 256GB internal storage and 16GB of RAM. It also takes external TF cards up to 512GB for additional storage. The camera technology of the Ulefone Armour 22 is outstanding for such a rugged device. On the back, there's a 64MP plus 64MP dual camera setup. The 64MP wide-angle camera with an IMX686 sensor and a large 1.89 aperture is great for shooting in daylight. In the midst of it all, the 64MP night vision camera with an OV64B sensor and 2x infrared LEDs operates brilliantly in low light. The camera has a wide range of capabilities, including normal mode, night vision mode, film mode, 64MP mode, and others. It also supports 2K video recording at 30 frames per second for capturing high-quality footage. The front of the gadget sports an 8MP front camera with an OV8856 sensor for selfies and video calls. Portrait mode, GIFs, and 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second are all available. The Ulefone Armour 22 has a large built-in lithium-ion polymer battery with a capacity of 6,600 mAh, ensuring all-day usage on a single charge. You may rapidly top off the battery and resume your adventures with USB Type-C S33W fast charging feature without having to take a long break. The Ulefone Armour 22 provides consistent and speedy internet connectivity thanks to its 802.11a AC, B, and Wi-Fi functionality. It also contains a full location system, including GPS, GLONASS, BeiDou, Galileo, and a digital compass, as well as Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless wireless networking. Proximity sensor, gravity sensor, light sensor, acceleration sensor, geomagnetic sensor, gyroscope sensor, Coulomb Counter, Pedometer, infrared sensor, Fingerprint Unlock, Face Unlock, NFC, and OTG compatibility are a few of the sensors included with this phone. Additional features include a headset-free FM radio, underwater photography capability, gloves mode, and warning LEDs for various alerts. In conclusion, the Ulefone Armour 22 is a robust smartphone with plenty of features and performance. Its rugged design, exceptional hardware, and versatile camera system make it an excellent choice for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. At $149.99 on AliExpress, this device represents incredible value for anyone searching for a dependable and practical smartphone for their next vacation. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a waterproof smartphone without breaking the bank. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.